What if you woke up one day and couldn't stop sneezing? For one woman, this bizarre nightmare became a staggering reality. Meet the unstoppable sneezer, a brave soul who battled a relentless sneeze for an astonishing 978 days. It all started innocently enough, with a tickle in her nose that spiraled into an uncontrollable urge to sneeze, over and over again. Doctors were baffled, trying everything from antihistamines to nasal sprays, but nothing could quell the storm brewing in her sinuses. Imagine the chaos: family dinners disrupted by explosive sneezes, conversations interrupted mid-sentence, and public outings transformed into a series of fits that left everyone around her in stitches, or in concern. Through it all, she discovered the power of resilience, finding humor in the absurdity of her situation. Finally, after almost 3 long years, a breakthrough treatment offered her relief, and the sneezing subsided, leaving her with a newfound appreciation for silence. So, what would you do if you couldn't stop sneezing? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible stories like this one.